Whispered prayers, candles glow in this sacred place we know, a home of faith, a space divine where heaven meets the earthly line, and the arches high and the tall, the light of God shines through it all. Echoed hymns in the hallowed air, a holy presence everywhere. This is the house of grace, a sanctuary, a sacred space are healed and souls embrace the love of God in every place. Golden altars, marble stone, a seat of peace we call our own. In painted skies, guide our hearts, lift our eyes. This is the house of grace, a sanctuary, a sacred space where hearts are healed and souls embrace the love of God in every place. The bells that toll, they call us near to cast away our doubt and fear. In every pew, in every breath, His endless mercy lingers there. This is the house of grace, a sanctuary, a sacred space where hearts are healed and souls embrace the love of God in every place. So come and rest, find your way in this holy church, let your spirit stay. A home of faith, a light divine, forever